Now YouTube, I'm about to start Smoke Alarm Tier 6! Woohoo! Smoke Alarm Tier 6 is here! And yes, I'll be using the same smoke alarm I did in Smoke Alarm Test 5. So yes, it's this one if nobody didn't know. And you'll be soon looking at this one. But in the next video I'll show it to I'll show it to you. I've put this battery out so it doesn't have battery life on it. So yeah, we're going to start Smoke Alarm Test 6. And I know it's the last one of this. It's the last 3 coming up for the season. I'll do about 7. I'll do like 7 or 8 per season. But I'll let you know what. But I'll let you know each first system test after each one finishing. You'll then find out what test it is. You know. So. He's on. Wait. One way. There we go. Pretty much the same way it goes on. Try and do it within like 10 minutes. We'll see how it goes. It's going to be a very short system test. Smoke alarm test. So, the same thing as what it was. Ready? 3. Make sure we'll go. 3, 2, 1.
Fire! Fire! Warning, carbon monoxide.
Same signal again, with the same ending, that beep at the end, that same beep at the end. So yeah, that was Smoke Alarm Tier 6 for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. So goodbye.